What's going on, people? It's good to have you back to this XCN quick update and some other related factors as well. In this video, we're going to be looking at the BTC dominance, overall crypto market liquidation heat map, the others chart against BTC excluding the top 10 crypto in the crypto space, and also the XCN liquidation heat map follows by the XCN chart as well to see how the project has been doing so far in the last 24 hours. In case you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I drop a new video, and also please like and share this video to your friends and family so that their life as well be transformed from this amazing project. So let's get started. Now, before we take a deep dive, I would like to quickly draw your attention to this macro indicator and technical indicator on the orders chart against BTC excluding the top 10 cryptos in the crypto space. For my viewers who are new to this, permit me as I bring you up to speed real quick about what this is all about, what this chart is all about. Now here's the thing, guys. This red period, which is right here, represents quantitative tightening, while the blue period right here represents quantitative easing. This blue line indicator represents the Fed balance sheet. The technicals and macro events are both pointing different directions right now. During the period of quantitative easing, money is being injected into the financial system. It also increased demand for BTC and large caps cryptos. And also, guys, the crypto price often increased during this strong quantitative easing period. And talking about the quantitative tightening, it is the opposite of quantitative easing. This is the period whereby money is being pulled out of circulation. It is used to reduce inflation. And whenever we are in a period of quantitative tightening, there is always less money in the economic, high interest rates, and also tighter financial conditions. So that is what the quantitative easing and quantitative tightening is all about, guys. The last time the quantitative tightening ended was during August 1st, 2019, which marks the bottom of the bear market. After that, we started having this consolidation, which you are seeing right here, until the announcement of the quantitative easing, which skyrocketed the price massively to the upside. The current quantitative tightening, which we are currently experiencing right now, begins in June 1st, 2022 and has been the longest so far since altcoins came into existence, and it has also lasted for more than 3 years. As a matter of fact, the quantitative tightening is expected to come to an end this year, which is December 1st, 2025. Now, this is what happens whenever the quantitative tightening ended. Attention will be channeled towards BTC, and whenever BTC has finished its liquidity driven mode, it usually takes up to 1 to 3 months for altcoins to start exploding. Now, before we start going bullish on altcoins and meme coins, Ethereum dominance will have to outperform the dominance of BTC. Ethereum dominance is going to rise massively, which is also going to signal the beginning of the altcoin season. Now, during the time of making this video, the BTC dominance is currently sitting at around the zone of 58%, which you can see right here. Now, the moment Ethereum dominance start increasing, the dominance of BTC will start having a pullback, will start having a correction below to around 40 to 30, and that moment you are getting to the 40 zones, it will signal the beginning of the alt season, of which altcoins, meme coins will start exploding massively, and that will be the right time for we to start taking profit to exit the market. Now, if you have to look closely at the BTC previous dominance chart of 2017 down to 2021, as of 2017 you notice that we had this massive correction of the BTC dominance, and after that we experience the full altcoin season alongside the 2021 chart right here, which you can see that we had that same dominance correction, and after that we experienced the 2021 full altcoin season. So we are currently at 2025 and we are yet to experience the full altcoin season. Why? Because the BTC dominance is yet to get a pullback below to around 40 to 30. Now, from this zone which you are currently at right now, if it happens to get a bounce from here to around 60 to 70, it's going to signal a bearish momentum in the overall crypto market. Altcoins, meme coins are going to go bearish, which will also give us good entering opportunities into any project of our choice. Please do not take anything I say here as financial advice. Do well to do your deep research before you invest wisely, always with the amount you can afford to lose. Now, the overall crypto market fear and greed index as of the time of making this video is currently sitting at around the extreme fear index of 20%, which is a welcome development, because if you are to check out the historical value of it, you'll notice that as of last month we experienced the fear index of 40%. Last week we experienced the extreme fear index of 11%. Yesterday we experienced the extreme fear index of 19%, and currently today we are at 20%, and this shows our progress towards the neutral zone in the overall crypto market right now as we speak. While others are busy panic selling the asset, we should seize the opportunity to position ourselves into any project of our choice, and as we hold on tight and exercise patience, we will be celebrating success when we finally enters the full altcoin season. In the past 24 hours, over $339 million has been liquidated from the overall crypto market so far. Over 112,000 traders were liquidated. The total liquidation comes in at over $339 million. Now, the largest single liquidation order happens on Hyperliquid, that is on BTC/USD, which is valued for over $8 million. Now, the highest liquidation amount happens to comes from the short position, which is over $233 million, while that of long position is over $106 million, which states clearly that buyers are in control of the market right now as we speak. This is the XCN liquidation heat map, where you get to track areas of heavy liquidity, areas of high liquidity, where big players are in position in this project, and you can cite some heavy liquidity above the price of XCN right now as we speak. We have liquidity, heavy liquidity around the zone of 0.0095. We have some liquidity around the zone of 0.0088, liquidity above the price around the zone of 0.0073 for the price of XCN, and also we also have this liquidity below the price around the zone of 0.0046 for the price of XCN. Before grabbing the liquidity above the price, we first of all need to grab the liquidity which is below the price, and that takes us back to the chart. The RSI indicator of XCN shows that we are currently at around the zone of 38%, indicating a bearish momentum for the price of the asset, but not yet at the oversold zone, because the moment will be dropping below to around the 30 zone. That is when we'll be entering the oversold zone for the price of XCN, of which some traders will also seize the opportunity to start positioning themselves into this project from that area. Now, looking at the MACD indicator for XCN, you can see that the MACD line is slightly crossed above the signal line, indicating that we should even expect a possible bounce reversal to the upside from this current zone which we are currently at right now. Now, according to the liquidation heat map, we saw some liquidity below the price of XCN around the zone of 0.0044 to down to the zone of 0.0040 for the price of XCN. Now, you can see that the zone of 0.0040 is being mapped out as a liquidity area for the price of the asset. We should even expect a bounce from there that is likely to take out this map out liquidation price point areas of around the zone of 0.0099 and the zone of 0.0082 for the price of XCN. And that moment this zone is being taken out, we should expect a pullback which is likely to retest the liquidity area of around the zone of 0.0070 for the price of XCN, and after that we should expect a bounce reversal which is automatically taking us straight to the zone of the previous resistance zone of 0.013 for the price of XCN, which is 1 cent for the price of XCN, guys. Now, the project XCN has the potential to meet up with the expectation, and this is one of the projects you shouldn't miss out adding to your portfolio for the full altcoin season which we're about entering. Now, the realistic price prediction for XCN for the full altcoin season is $1.20. What's your take about the price prediction? Please drop it in the comment section below, and that'll be all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video, and do have a lovely day.